Meaning of declamatory.
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 Declamatory. The term declamatory refers to a style of speaking or writing that is characterized by an overly formal, bombastic, or sensationalistic tone. It is often used to describe speeches or written works that are intended to impress or persuade the audience through grandiose language and dramatic delivery, rather than through sound reasoning or evidence. As a result, declamatory works may come across as insincere or over the top. However, they can also be effective in certain contexts, such as political speeches or persuasive advertising campaigns.